Hey everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make witch's potion bottles. I'm using the little glass bottles that I purchased in my recent thrift store haul. I think that was a couple of videos back, and they were literally $2 each, and when I saw them I just thought, yep, they will make perfect witch's potion bottles. So that's what we'll be doing today. And to start with, I am giving them a couple of coats of black matte spray paint. For the lids, I actually just left them clear.
Now what I've done, because we're going to age these now and make them look a little bit more authentic, printed off some Halloween labels from the internet. If you go on my Pinterest page, my name is Live It Like Lisa, follow me on there and have a look in my Halloween folder. I'm pretty sure I've saved all of these in there, and these ones are really good because none of them have a watermark on them, so yeah, they'll go good as labels. So I'm probably going to be using these brown ones. This one is for a bigger bottle that I have also. So I've got this big, you can see it there, this big bottle at the back there. So I plan to put that poison label on that one. And then these little ones here are gonna get these tags or labels on them, and then maybe make a couple of tags out of these ones as well to hang off them. So what we'll do first is cut out the label. Yeah. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to make little tags that will be hanging off the bottles. So I've just cut out a couple of those little tags from Pinterest. I'm just sticking them onto some black cardboard just so they're a bit stronger. And then I'm going to they're going to be double-sided. So there's going to be one picture on one side and one on the other. And once they're dry, I will cut them out and stick them back to back. So there'll be one pair for each bottle. All right, so to get some texture and colors happening on the bottles, I've got some acrylic paint here, just in some dark colors, some like browns and blacks. And I'm just going to go around the edges just to cover, I'm just going to go around the edges just to get rid of that white border. Yeah. So what we're going to do now, all the glue and everything's dry, and so what I've got here is a few embellishments as well, some chains, a couple of feathers, some broken jewelry, different chains and things. So I thought we would wrap some chains around a couple of them. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do with this one, I'm going to make it look like there's sort of like blood in it. So I'm going to make some like hot glue drops on the baking paper first and then stick it on the bottle. So I've got my hot glue gun here. So we're going to do some blood drops on the baking paper. So that's all my blood drips. Then once they're dry, I'm going to take them outside and spray paint them with some red spray paint, and then we're going to stick them onto the bottle. Okay, so we've got all my fake blood dripping down from the poison bottle now. And we'll just put a few of the metal decorations on it also.